Okay, they said low interest rates to promote economic growth might do which of the following? It will cause inflation. Why will it cause inflation? It will cause inflation because when the interest rate is low, it brings an incentive to borrow more. Borrowing more will increase income within the economy. Yes or no? Yes. And that will increase purchasing power. People will be able to buy more. Then aggregate demand will increase, bringing about demand pull inflation. I think A is the answer. It's clear. They said result in higher levels of unemployment. When there's low interest rates, firms will be able to borrow more for expansion or to invest in capital goods. As a result, employment opportunity would rise. Cost of production would fall. Consumption would increase. So firms would rather want to employ more by meeting up with the demands of goods and services. Yes or no? Yes. So so lower interest rates will increase employment, not lower results into high level of unemployment. Clear? Yeah. The third one, increase the current account deficit. Lower interest rates will mean that our exchange rate would reduce. The value of our exchange rate would reduce. Yes or no? Yes. So what does that imply? It means the country will be internationally competitive. Exports would increase. We won't be able to do more imports. So that means exports will increase and it will improve our balance of payments. So it's not going to reduce, it's not going to put our current account into deficit. It will rather improve it or put it into surplus. So it is not C. Question D, stifle private sector investment. No, it will increase private sector investment. It will encourage investment because interest rate is low. So firms will be able to borrow for investment. Okay. That's why it is not D. I think number 1 is clear. So number 1 question is A. Question 2, more environmental protection. More environmental protection is likely to be needed if the government follow which course of action?
More environmental protection. Stimulates the economy to go faster.
Yes. Why?
Because if there is too much growth in the economy, there will be more carbon emissions.